This is Godrej Nature Plus, Sector 33, Sohna, and this is the sample 3 BHK plus utility. That is 1927 square feet. This is the living and dining. You see, this is the balcony area. This is the balcony part, nice and good. And you have got the flats also going on, under construction flats of first phase. So then we'll go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen part, nice modular kitchen, and this is the utility area. There is the servant. You go from servant will come from this area only. This is the other part of the building. Then we move into the other washroom. This is the washroom, common washroom. This is the one of the bedrooms with one of the washrooms. Here washroom is there. That is the attached washroom, and you have got the balcony over here as well. Balcony. This is the balcony attached with this bedroom. Then you have got the second bedroom as well. This is the second bedroom. There are also balconies there, which is running with the master bedroom balcony. And this is the master bedroom. The balcony, attached balcony, which will be, and also there is the master washroom as well. This is the master washroom. This is the balcony. So let's move. And then we move into the servant room. This is the servant room with servant washroom. Hi, this is Godrej Nature Plus, Sector 33, Sohna, and this is a 3 BHK plus utility sample flat. And we move into the living and dining. This is the living and dining. With the balcony over here. Let's see the balcony. This is the running balcony. This is the balcony. And this is the construction going on at the full fledged. You see. And all those towers are getting ready. Then you have got the kitchen. This is the kitchen part. Modular kitchen. And you have got the utility area, that is the servant utility area. This is the servant utility area. The servant will come from this door. यहाँ से आएंगे, फिर आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. The kitchen, that is the modular kitchen. And this is the part. Then we move into the common washroom. This is the common washroom. This is one of the bedrooms. जो आपकी मास्टर, दिस इज द मास्टर, आगे वाला मास्टर बेडरूम है. यहाँ पे आपकी वुडन वर्क वाली रहेगा आपका बेडरूम इसमें. और इसके साथ भी आपका जो बैल्कनी है, दिस इज ऑल्सो द बैल्कनी. दिस इज अराउंड 5 फीट विथ, 5 फीट विथ सबका बैल्कनी में मिलेगा आपको. Then you have got the other bedroom, this bedroom. इसके साथ भी आपको balcony है. You just see. इसके साथ भी balcony. This is the balcony attached with this. Here is the running balcony with the other portion as well. This is the running balcony with the master bedroom. Then you have got the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom with the AC fitted and all. ये वाली रनिंग बैल्कनी जो हम देख रहे थे वो वाली बिल्डिंग से, वो भी यहीं पे है. Is the same running balcony which we were discussing. And this is the master washroom with the dressing area as well. This is the 3 BHK plus utility and sizes मैं आपको यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में. And if you go outside, this is the servant room. This is the servant room with servant washroom. Thanks for watching. Hi, we are in Godrej Nature Plus, that is sector 33 Sohna, and this is the sample flat of around size 1929 square feet, that is 3 BHK plus utility. This is living and dining, massive living and dining size, and you see it is fully decorated living and dining, and these are the materials you will be getting. And with each living and dining you can see there is a balcony. Balcony है आपका यहाँ पे. Let's have the balcony. Balcony एक बार देख लेते हैं. ये balcony आप देखिएगा. This is the Godrej Nature Plus, and you see this is the sample flat, and sample flat के सामने आप देखिएगा टावर चल रही है, काम चल रही है जोरों शोरों से. That is ये Godrej Serenity का है and Godrej Nature Plus भी है. So we move into it. ये आपका किचन रहेगा. दिस इज द किचन. दिस इज द मॉड्यूलर किचन, एंड मॉड्यूलर किचन के साथ आपकी यूटिलिटी रूम रहेगी. दिस इज द यूटिलिटी रूम, सर्वेंट प्लस यूटिलिटी रूम. We move back यहीं पे. Then this is the common washroom. Nice common washroom area. Then we move into one of the bedrooms. ये bedroom रहेगा जो कि master sorry this wooden work रहेगा इसमें. And you see this is also nice and गुड मास्टर बेडरूम. और इसके साथ आपको भी बैल्कनी मिल रहा है आपको. दिस इज द बैल्कनी ओवर हियर. गॉडेज नेचर प्लस के टावर्स आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। Then we move into another bedroom. हर एक बेडरूम में आपको वुडन फ्लोरिंग मिलेगा। This is another bedroom, and you have got the balcony over here as well. और इसकी balcony आपकी जो दूसरी मास्टर बेडरूम है उसके साथ कनेक्टेड है। This is the master bedroom. This is also wooden flooring. You see, AC fitted, and you have got the dressing area and the master washroom. This is the master washroom over here. बेडरूम के साथ भी आपका ये मिलेगा बैल्कनी। दिस इज द बैल्कनी। दिस इज द रनिंग बैल्कनी विथ दिस मास्टर बेडरूम। And you get all those features, the AC fitted features, and this is the 3 BHK which we have already discussed। यह और एक बेडरूम है। ये फर्स्ट बेडरूम जो हम देख रहे थे। and when I walk out you are also getting the servant room as well। This is the servant room plus nice washroom। इसकी एंट्री आपका डायरेक्ट किचन से मिलती है। सर्वेंट वॉशरूम। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू।